Hey, what's up, guys? Yeah, this is the B07 just telling you information about the N8 by the comparison of the Nokia X6 16 GB and the Nokia N97 and the N900. This phone is so fucking awesome. It got 135 grams. It got 640 times 360 pixels. Yeah, good. It has 16.7 million colors. What the fuck? It has a touch screen. It says the talk time is 720 minutes. The standby time is 390 hours. The internal memory is 16 gigabyte. Oh, that is so fucking deadly. It can take the memory card micro SD up to 32 gigabyte. That's awesome. It has a speakerphone, and it can send an MMS multimedia messaging and email, chat, video calling. It don't contain push to talk. It got the 12 megapixels camera. What the fuck? The image resolution is 4000 times 3000. Oh shit. The flash, it got an Exynon flash. The video camera is 720 pixels HD, just like the latest Sony Ericsson. Don't know what's its name. The video lengths up to 90 minutes, I guess. Yeah. It can take supports nearly every video format. It's not a problem. MP4, 3GP, WMA, maybe everything. Interbrowser, any interbrowser is compatible with that phone. It can support any music player, MP3, MP4, WMA, AAC, anything you guess. Real player, it can have real player, and it has have an FM radio. Yeah, it got a Bluetooth, WLAN, GPRS, EG, and WCDMA. Oh, I don't know. Network dependent. Nice. It can support the car kit. And yeah, that is amazing. This is the first Nokia mobile with the 12 megapixels. Yeah, awesome. Okay, that's all. Okay. Just I wanna tell you, okay, and show you the sample picture for this Nokia. Here's some pics. Okay, so awesome, high resolution. Yeah. The image zoom x2 and the video zoom x3. Nice. So fucking amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna finish this video and go buy it. Damn, that is amazing phone. I love it. Okay, thanks for watching. This is the B07 man. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment if you like this phone, and like the video. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'm sorry if I disturb you from my sound, and okay, thanks. Bye bye.